In this video, we're going to be learning how to read a scale. Now, with my example on the left-hand side, I have a scale where three numbers have been marked, 5, 55 and 105, and a range of other markers that I have no information for. The first thing to note is that from 5 to 55, this is a jump of 50. And this jump of 50 has been split over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. Now with this information I can work out what one jump would equal by doing 50 divided by 5. This gives me 10. This means that each marker is now 10 more than the previous one. So after 5 would give me 15, 25, 35 and 45. Knowing that each one increases by 10 would mean that I can work out the one that's been highlighted as 105 take away 10, and that is 95. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With this example, I can see that from 15 to 25, that is an increase of 10. And it is split over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. By using this information, I can work out what one jump is equivalent to. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Each jump is now 2 more than the previous number. So using this information, I can work out that the marker being highlighted is 2 less than 35. 35 take away 2 is 33.